Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make canned lentils a delicious and easy part of your meals. These versatile legumes are a fantastic pantry staple, offering quick protein and fiber. We'll cover everything from basic preparation to enhancing their flavor, ensuring you get the most out of this convenient ingredient. Let's dive in and transform those humble cans into culinary delights. Before you do anything else, it's crucial to properly prepare your canned lentils. First, drain them completely in a colander to remove the packing liquid. Then, rinse them under cold, running water for about 1 minute. This simple step is important because it washes away excess sodium and any starchy residue, which significantly improves their taste and texture. It makes a big difference.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once rinsed, canned lentils are incredibly versatile. You can gently heat them on the stovetop with a little broth or your favorite sauce for a quick side dish. They are also perfect for adding directly to simmering soups, hearty stews, or flavorful curries, boosting protein and texture instantly. For a no-cook option, simply toss them cold into salads or grain bowls. So many easy ways to enjoy them. To elevate the flavor of your canned lentils, consider a few simple additions. Start by sautéing aromatics like garlic, onion, or celery before adding the lentils. Incorporate your favorite herbs and spices, such as a pinch of cumin, coriander, or dried thyme, to build depth. Finally, a small splash of apple cider vinegar or fresh lemon juice at the end can really brighten up the entire dish. Delicious.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.